Here are some clear, kid-friendly facts about zebras. Zebras are wild animals related to horses and donkeys. They are famous for their black and white stripes. Every zebra's stripe pattern is unique, like human fingerprints. Zebras can run fast, up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour. They usually live 20 to 30 years. Zebras live in Africa. They are commonly found in grasslands, savannas, open woodlands. Zebras are social animals and live in groups called herds. Herds help protect them from predators like lions and hyenas. They communicate using sounds, ear movements, and facial expressions. Zebras are always alert and can kick or bite to defend themselves. They migrate together to find food and water. What do zebras eat? Zebras are herbivores, plant eaters. Their diet includes grass, leaves, shrubs, bark. They spend most of the day grazing.